Imagine two investors watching the same stock. One reacts to headlines, the other watches the data. The first feels excitement, then panic. The second waits for confirmation, then acts with confidence. Because in the market, the difference isn't access to information, it's having a structured way to interpret it. This is where QuantSmith steps in. QuantSmith is a quantitative investing platform designed to identify opportunities using structured models, data-driven screening, and rule-based strategies, removing guesswork from the process. For many investors, building a strong portfolio is not easy. It requires research, screening, diversification, position sizing, and timing. At the same time, emotions often get in the way. Investors panic when markets fall and get overly excited when markets rise. And over time, maintaining consistency becomes another major challenge. These are the three ways QuantSmith can help you invest better. QuantSmith simplifies investing through curated small cases, ready-made portfolios built using quantitative models and clear rule-based strategies. It interprets market behavior with precision, so decisions are guided by data and structure, not emotion. And it provides a complete process, from selecting stocks to managing and rebalancing portfolios, helping investors stay disciplined and consistent over the long term. QuantSmith is built for investors who value discipline, consistency, and evidence over speculation. Explore what's inside QuantSmith today and experience the power of rule-based investing.